Step into the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear step bumper, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.